So fellas, just finished up wiring up my LED headlights. Nothing too fancy, but I'll show you. LED headlights, whatever, that's dumb. So, yes, I used that cable, shoot me. Anyway, so I got a hot wire running from here. Battery winds down, goes up and around, runs into that fuse block, then goes out of the fuse block through a grommet that I installed right there, just below, and it goes through, meets up with the switch panel here. I've only got the one hooked up here. Where's my finger? There we go. Lights up when it's good to go, when it's on, which is kind of cool. This guy here, I moved the keys. This is a USB charger. When it runs, when it turns on, it's on switched power. I tapped it into the windshield wipers. Then it turns on, gives you a voltmeter, and provides power. And then this guy is a clutch start cancel switch. It's a little guy. Basically, let's say you want to start the truck, but you don't want to have to put the clutch in because that's a pain in the ass. Just make sure it's in neutral, and then press this button, reach around and hit the starter, and that'll do the same thing as pressing the clutch in. Also useful if you are stuck somewhere and you want to leave it in gear. And when you leave it in gear and put it in first or second, you can bump the starter and you'll start to creep forward. It's kind of cool. Anyway, wanted to get this done before I go into surgery again. So there we go, LED lights installed. Thanks guys.